Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make Click animated. Don't forget, like and subscribe. Okay, let's start a video. Click on New Slide, then click on Section Now. We're going to create a tutorial. Go to Design. Now you take violet color. Now right-click, go to Format, Background, Gradient Fill. You can use Radial Gradient. Now you make flowchart shape. You can make no outline and change color. Now you can take rectangle to corners rounded. Draw a little bit and change color. Right-click Send to Back. Now select flowchart shape, add a shadow. I will write the text using the Montserrat black font. And now select all, copy rectangle. Now change title number. Select the text, go to Shape Format and change text color. Now take 4 icons. Now I will arrange them one by one inside the rectangle. First group the title and flowchart shape. Now group the text with the rectangles. Click Arrange, go to Selection pane and change group name. Change the name to Click 1. Then I will rename the rectangle. Change the name to Content 1. Okay, now select all rectangle and add animation. Use flyout animation. And change effect. You choose from top animation. Now you can take rectangle, draw a little bit. No outline and change color. Okay, let's see. Now you can do on click and 1.50 seconds. Now select all. Go to animation pane. Select one content, click down arrow. Go to timing and click triggers. And start effect on click, you choose click 1. Okay, now let's see. You can see the arrow changed. Use the same method for each of the 4 slides. Okay, now let's see the result. Okay, now select 4 rectangle, add animation. Go to exit more animation. You can choose fly out. Go to effect option. You choose to top animation. On click and 1.50 seconds. Select rectangle and go to down arrow. And go to timing. Click triggers. You choose click 1. Okay, now just follow the same steps as before. Okay, we're finally done, so let's check the result. Thanks for watching. I hope this video will be helpful for everyone. See you in the next video. And don't forget to like and subscribe.